Jai Gurudev, Day 13. Gayatri Mantra in miniature form. Just a small Anushthan of 9 days has been prescribed for those who are unable to form full Anushthan of 1,25,000 mantras in 40 days. Similarly, uneducated women or children who are unable to remember full Gayatri Mantra of 24 letters can perform Jap, abridged Gayatri Mantra known as Panchakshari Mantra. It consists of Pranav and three Vyaratis, namely Om, Bhur, Bhuva, Swaha. Just as the seed of all Vedas is Gayatri Mantra, so also the origin of Gayatri Mantra is Panchakshari Mantra, consisting of Pranav and Vyaratis. This small mantra is extremely useful for the convenience of laypersons. Special sadhanas for women. Women have the same right as men in respect to the worship of Ved Mata Gayatri. To convert inertia into momentum, two objects of opposite qualities which attract each other are required. Electricity is generated by attraction and repulsion of negative and positive currents. Electrons and protons of an atom get activated on account of their mutual give and take. This conscious creation has been divided into male and female forms to make the eternal animate creation alive. Otherwise, this universe would have remained enveloped in inconscience. Union of Rai and Pran energies result in Chaitanya. If there is no union of male and female elements, consciousness, pleasure, pulsation, speed, activity, growth, etc. will all disappear and unconscious will reign supreme in the universe. Male and female elements supplement each other. One is incomplete without the other. The importance, utility, position and rights of each are the same. Those who say that women have no right to chant Gayatri Mantra, which is Ved Mantra, are completely mistaken. Of course, uneducated, unwise and impious people are like Shudra, and due to their own mental state, they become deprived of their right of Gayatri worship. Women have equal right with men to perform all sadhanas relating to Gayatri described in this book. It has, however, been observed that housewives who are ever much busy in household chores, who have small children to look after and are unable to maintain cleanliness, cannot find time to take up difficult sadhanas. They have to be provided with a technique of sadhana which is easy and does not take much of time. Those who cannot remember full Gayatri Mantra can do the chanting of the brief Panchakshari Mantra Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha during the period of menses. They should suspend regular sadhana. The performance of Anushthan, if it's being done, should also be suspended during this time. It can be resumed on the expiry of this period after taking bath. Issueless women or those whose children have grown up, unmarried women and widows can conveniently perform Gayatri Sadhana like men. In routine Gayatri Sadhana, it is not necessary to observe specific rules and restrictions, and there is no bar to discharging normal marital functions. But during specific sadhana and Anushthan, the rule of observing Brahmacharya has to be followed. Sadhana for concentration of mind and self-realization. Gayatri Sadhana can be used as an unfailing discipline by widows for exercising self-restraint, controlling sensuousness and for promoting righteousness and wisdom. Feelings of mental peace, steadiness, wisdom and self-restraint start growing from the very day this sadhana is started. Mind is brought under control and wayward thoughts are reined in and silenced by righteousness. Desires, tastes, actions, sentiments become pure, pious and righteous Satoguni. Interests develop in self-realization, devout austerity, penance and love of God. Slowly and steadily, the sadhika is transformed into a sadhvi, tapaswini, brahmavadini. She sees divinity in the form of Gayatri and attains deep inner peace, in comparison to which the life of a mere housewife appears to be purposeless. Before sitting in sadhana, women should take a bath early in the morning by warm or cool water according to the season. Water which is very hot or very cold is harmful for women. A pot of water should be kept close by rosary or mala of tulsi or Kushasana are best suited. Gayatri should be meditated upon in the form of a middle-aged lady with a smiling face, wearing white clothes, sitting on a bull, having 4 hands, containing mala, kamandal, book and lotus flower. This meditation is extremely useful for controlling mind and developing righteousness. Mind should be applied repeatedly on this meditation. In jap, there should be some sound from the throat, lips, should be moved that even a person sitting close by is not able to hear what is being uttered. Jap can be performed both in the morning as well as in the evening. More jap can also be performed according to convenience. It is also more beneficial in life to observe devout austerity and penance could be lived. Sadhana by unmarried girls for a happy married life. Unmarried girls can perform Bhagavati, worship Bhagavati for getting peace and happiness in married life. Parvati performed tap according to Narad's direction for getting the husband of her choice, and ultimately her aspiration was fulfilled. Sita worshipped Gauri to get the husband of her choice. Gayatri Sadhana is beneficial in all aspects if it is done by unmarried girls in Navdurga. The picture or image of Gayatri should be kept on a small carpet or altar, and chandan, incense, lighted lamp, rice, grains, flour and sweets, etc. should be offered. The lighted lamp or camphor should be moved circularly around the picture and of Gayatri Mata. Chandan can be applied on the forehead of the idol but not on the picture, otherwise it may be spoiled. Eyes should be closed during the meditation. Mental jap of Gayatri Mantra at least 24 times should be performed. The picture or image of Gayatri can, if necessary, be obtained from Shanti Kunj, Haridwar. Gayatri Sadhana is most useful for unmarried girls. It helps them in getting good life mates and good fortune. Beneficial sadhana for married women. Married women should worship Gayatri Mata for happiness, prosperity, health and longevity of their husbands. The spoiled nature, thoughts and behavior of the husbands get purified and suffused with righteous wisdom with which they are able to discharge their household obligations with enthusiasm and commitment. A woman who performs this sadhana is loved and respected by all due to her sweet nature, cooperative and service-oriented attitude cultivated as a result of sadhana. Housewives should perform Gayatri Sadhana to set right their own mind and their family members' deteriorating health, to remove financial stringency, poverty, family disputes, misunderstanding, mutual conflicts, etc. Family members on paternal side as well as those belonging to a husband's family both are benefited by her Gayatri Sadhana. However, it is particularly benefit for family members of the husband of such sadhikas. Sadhana should be performed in the morning before noon. Food should not be taken till sadhana is completed. Water can be taken. The sadhika should sit with a clean body, mind and clothes facing east. Sandalwood paste applied with saffron should be applied on the forehead, heart and throat. Image of picture of Gayatri should be installed and it should be worshipped according to the prescribed procedure. Yellow colored flowers, rice, sandalwood paste mixed with saffron, laddus of gram flour should be used for worship and prasad. In Aarti, cow's grit of yellow color, and if it is not available, any grit mixed with saffron should be used. Sandalwood powder should be used as an incense. In short, preference should be given to maximum use of yellow color in worship. She should meditate with closed eyes upon Goddess Gayatri, wearing yellow colored clothes, sitting on yellow tiger under yellow colored sky. At least one of the clothes, if not worn by women at all the time of worship, should be yellow in color. Meditating in the aforesaid manner, jap of at least 24 mantras should be performed. Mind should be applied to Bhagavati Gayatri whenever there is an opportunity to do so. Fast should be observed on every Purnamasi, full moon day. In daily food, one article of yellow color should always be taken. It is good to occasionally apply paste of turmeric powder on the body. This yellow color sadhana is beneficial for making marital life happy. Sadhana for progeny. Women whose children always remain sick or die prematurely, who get only male or female issues, who are infertile, or whose issues are procrastinators, lazy, dull, wicked, disobedient, etc., may get rid of their anxiety by ardently praying to Ved Mata Gayatri. There are several instances within my knowledge in which childless women have begged the favor of getting a child from Ved Mata Gayatri and they have been duly blessed by Bhagavati. Nothing is possible for Gayatri Mata to grant these. Therefore, be no impediment for a barren woman being blessed with an issue. If a pregnant woman meditates upon effulgent light in their womb before sunrise and sunset and perform mental jap of Gayatri, the child to be born will be brilliant, wise, long-living and renowned. A woman who has no issues should sit in sadhana with a wet cloth around her waist and should meditate as the light of Gayatri, like the rays of the sun, is entering into a womb through her vagina. eyes should be closed. This sadhana helps in conception. Kunti had performed this sadhana and was able to conceive and give birth to Karna. This sadhana should not be done by unmarried girls. Soon after finishing sadhana, water should be offered in libation to the sun, and a handful of remaining water should be drunk. By doing this sadhana, barren women can conceive, and those who get abortions or whose women die immediately after birth are able to give birth to normal children. Mothers have sick, lazy, mischievous, and irritable babies should take such babies in their lap and meditate upon Gayatri, sitting on a swam decorated with a pink lotus flowers, carrying a conch and disc in her hands and performing mental jap. This month, the jap has transforming effects on the mind and body of the child. If the baby is still suckling, the mother may feed him at the time of sadhana. Otherwise, she may touch the head and other parts of the body of the child. Keeping fast on Thursday is useful for the welfare of such children. After finishing sadhana, water should be offered in libation to the sun, and remaining water should be sprinkled on the child. Sadhana for a specific purpose, for avoidance of any calamity befalling on any member of this family or removing any obstacle or difficulty coming in the way of some urgent work. Nothing is so effective as divine help through the medium of Gayatri Sadhana. When fulfillment of any wish is hindered, Ved Mata Gayatri should be remembered and invoked. Just as mother rushes to help her child on hearing his cries, the worshipper of Gayatri actually experiences boundless compassion and love of the Divine Mother. Small Anushtan of 9 days and full Anushtan of 40 days duration should be performed to fulfill imminent needs. If a woman cannot perform it herself, she should be done by someone else well versed in Gayatri Sadhana. Observance of devout austerity and penance, as already described, helps in pleasing Bhagavati Gayatri Mata. Gayatri Upasana of 1 year duration fulfills all righteous desires. Gayatri Anushtans are important for women as for men. In daily sadhana, recital of Gayatri Chalisa is most useful for women. Women who put on kanti around their necks instead of yagyopavit attain dvijtava and become entitled to worship Gayatri. Gayatri sadhana for housewives. God does not discriminate between son or daughter. Only persons of crude mentality do so. Women should refuse to listen to the biased view of any person who say that women have no right to do Gayatri Sadhana. They can worship it and also perform yajna. Keeping it in view the fact that they remain busy throughout the day, a brief routine of Gayatri Sadhana, including yajna, convenient to all women, is presented here. Most of the women housewives are extremely busy in the morning in cleaning, work, preparing breakfast and doing other household chores. In the morning, the children go to school and male members have to go out to work and everybody is in a hurry. Most of the household work in the morning has to be done by the housewife in the morning, although daughters, elderly ladies have been giving a helping hand. Morning time therefore does not suit most of the women for sadhana. In the evening, there's similar pressure of work on them. Keeping all these factors, the time between 12 and 3 appears to be the most convenient time for performing Anushtan sadhana. Of course, they can perform jap of 1 mala in the morning after taking bath. If they happen to do mental jap while cooking meals, there will be a good effect on persons who take the food. Regular jap should be suspended during the time of menses. Mental jap can, however, be performed in all circumstances. Women who put yagyopavit should replace it by a new one after the period of menstruation. If women are enthusiastic about maintaining holy atmosphere in the house, it will have a salutary impact on other members of the family who will feel automatically inclined to lead virtuous lives. For this, by way of daily routine, members of the family should not only greet and salute the elders daily in the morning, but they should also bow in front of the picture of Gayatri Mata placed in the family worship place and chant Gayatri Mantra 5 times. In the evening, after the members of the family are free from their meals, the children should be entertained by reading over them inspiring stories published by Gayatri Mission, which they can easily understand so that the mind and emotions are oriented towards virtuous life. To inspire the elder members, Pragya Puran, published in 4 volumes, should be read over by the whole family daily like Gita and Ramayan. This program can be combined for months. After finishing one reading, the process can be repeated again and again. Keeping in view the fact that people are extremely busy these days and there's a general lack of faith and devotion, religious routines which are interesting to all can be adopted. Being masters of the kitchen, women can easily accomplish the sacred task. At the time of preparation of food, the first chapati should be divided into 5 morsels And chanting Gayatri Mantra, each morsel should be offered in the fire along with some ghee and sugar. The tradition of yajna is an integral part of Indian culture. This process of offering bread pieces in the fire is symbolic worship and keeps the sentiments of sacrifice alive in us. While feeding a suckling child, mothers should do mental jap of Gayatri Mantra. It will be good if they meditate upon the luminous god Savita.